With Super Cyclone Fong Wang forecast to hit right smack at the Luzon mainland this weekend, House Solons are mulling greater protection and assistance for the nation's farmers and encouraging more aggressive and out-of-the-box solutions or stopgaps. Our Mela Lismora says more.
With typhoons hitting the Philippines one after another, House Committee on Agriculture and Food Chair Mark Enverga emphasized the need to strengthen protection for farmers who are often among the most severely affected by natural disasters. He said one of the measures that can be implemented is to reform the country's crop insurance system. He emphasized that whenever calamities strike, the government must ensure that assistance is always ready for distribution.
We have bills na meron nga yung tinatawag na weather-based index crop insurance. So for example, yon napakahalaga nun na medyo may mga bagong sistema na dapat na-introduce dito para masiguro po natin na sa anumang panahon malakas ang loob ng ating mga farmers na sila ay makapagtanim dahil meron susuporta sa kanila na crop insurance ng national government.
Meanwhile, Akbayan Party List Representative Percy Sendanya is pushing for a proposed law that promotes nature-based solutions. With the worsening effects of climate change, he stressed the importance of taking more aggressive actions.
Sa pagbalik na Kongreso, ipapile na natin yung nature-based solutions. Paano natin mamamanage ang impact ng climate change at ano natin matitiyak na ligtas ng ating mga kababayan. Kasabay nito, pinapanawagan natin on top of nature-based solutions sa lalong madaling panahon, dapat magkaroon na tayo ng isang Land Use Act sa Pilipinas. At kasabay niyan, ipasa na rin sa lalong madaling panahon yung final natin na Alternative Minerals Management Bill.
At present, the country is preparing for the upcoming typhoon named Uwan. Some lawmakers have assured their respective districts are ready with relief operations all set up.
We're preparing already. We already did inventory of whatever we have at the moment.
We're confident, knock on wood, at syempre, as long as ayos yung navigational gate namin, we hope to be able to manage it.
Mela Lismora from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.